Welcome to CamelbackTrading.org. This is our daily review for Wednesday, July 23rd, 2026. Using our proprietary Camelback market profile, let's dive into today's price action and look at what is ahead for the next session. If you want the complete written report, the full strategic plan for the next session, and all the specific key levels we are tracking, make sure to head over to our Substack publication right now to get the full plan. Also, become a member to get access to our proprietary market profile, now that we have a dedicated version for Tradeovate, along with our usual TradingView version. You will also get access to other tools like the MGI scorecard and access to period-by-period MGI data throughout the day. Thursday's session saw bears initially in control for both ES and NQ, opening below value and pushing lower. However, an afternoon rally prevented a full trend day, with ES shifting to a daily balance context and NQ closing in a daily down posture. ES registered a rotation factor of -6, indicating a moderate directional attempt by sellers, while NQ's -10 showed a more pronounced downside momentum. These readings reflect consistent pressure over 30-minute auctions, but not overwhelming strength given the afternoon recovery, especially compared to strong double-digit readings. Overall, NQ remains up on the monthly, balance on the weekly, and now down on the daily. ES holds an up monthly, is in weekly balance, and has shifted to daily balance. Now let's turn our attention to Friday's session for ES. We see ES in a daily balance context, after failing to sustain a full trend day. For the bulls, their task is clear. They need to demonstrate acceptance above the prior session's value area high to truly shift this narrative. If price opens above that value area high, and then attempts to move back into the prior session's value area, bulls should be cautious. There isn't a specific leaning level there to anchor their advance, so we'll need to rely on further market-generated information for confirmation. Their primary targets include the gap fill level and then the prior session's high of day. Taking out that high would put the daily context squarely back to up. On the flip side, bears need to secure acceptance below the prior session's value area low. If price opens below that value area low and tries to move back into the prior session's value area, bears also need to exercise caution. There's no clear leaning level for them to defend, which increases the risk of price reversing or finding acceptance back inside value. Their immediate targets are the session's low of day, which would place the daily context back to down, with the weekly balance low as their ultimate downside objective. Should the market open inside the prior session's value area, expect indecisive, choppy price action. Patience will be key here until MGI confirms a clearer directional bias. That afternoon rally high, which aligns with the value area high, is a critical battleground. Sellers will be highly motivated to prevent bulls from gaining acceptance above this level, as it would signal a loss of their hard-won advantage. Moving to NQ, it closed with a daily down context, exhibiting a stronger bearish directional attempt than ES. To reverse this, bulls absolutely must achieve acceptance above the prior session's value area high. If price opens above that value area high and then moves back inside the prior session's value area, bulls can lean on the 9-wide point of control as a structural support level. Their immediate targets include the high of day, which, if surpassed, would shift the daily context back to balance, followed by the gap fill level. From the bearish perspective, sellers need to maintain acceptance below the prior session's value area low. Should price open below that value area low and attempt to re-enter the prior session's value area, bears can also lean on that 9-wide POC to defend against a move higher. The ultimate downside target for bears remains the weekly balance low. An open inside the prior session's value area suggests price will likely rotate around that 9-wide POC, indicating a period of consolidation and indecision. And just like ES, the afternoon rally high, which again aligns with the value area high, is a crucial level. Sellers will be highly motivated to prevent bulls from gaining acceptance above this level, as it would significantly undermine their control over the value area. So, as we head into Friday, remember, the market's recent action highlights the critical importance of patience and maintaining an objective approach. Avoid predefining your bias. Instead, allow the market profile data to guide your understanding of the auction. Focus on how price interacts with these key levels and value areas, and let confirmed market-generated information dictate your trading setups. That's it for this review. Trade well. Remember, if you are going to buy an account with Tradeify, use code CB2724 and help us donate to St. Jude's Hospital, 20% this time. Be safe and trade well.